Namaskar. Welcome back to the channel Simplify Your Space. In today's video, I will be sharing my 10 favorite must-have home and kitchen cleaning tools. These tools not only make my daily cleaning easier, but also help me tackle some occasional and challenging tasks smoothly. So without further ado, let's start the video. First up are microfiber cloths, which have quickly become everyone's favorite. And why not? They do an excellent cleaning job. Made from synthetic material, their dust catching and water absorption qualities make them a must-have. When dusting the house, microfiber cloths effortlessly catch all the dust, making cleaning quick and easy. They trap all the dust within the cloth itself, preventing it from falling and spreading on the floor, saving you cleaning time. Their water absorption quality also makes them a fantastic cleaning tool. Whether cleaning a messy kitchen countertop, kitchen sink or bathroom, they can handle it all, absorbing water efficiently. As they are scratch-free, cleaning kitchen cabinets and appliances become very easy. To wash microfiber cloths, always use a mild detergent and cold or lukewarm water. Don't use hot water as it can damage the fibers, reducing their efficiency and making them rough. If you wash and maintain them properly, they will last for years. Next up is this long bristle brush, which is definitely a must-have in every home. Instead of taking out broom to quickly clean up small scattered messes, you can use this brush. With this efficient tool, you can effortlessly clean any food spills on your carpet. It is also very helpful for regular dusting of carpets, as it effectively removes dust from them. This brush is also great for dusting off your regular foot mats in your home. Window mosquito nets often accumulate a lot of dust, which can be difficult to clean. With the help of this brush, you can easily dust off the mesh. This is another highly effective brush for cleaning mesh doors. It has a dry brush pad with small bristles that help in dust removal. It is quite lightweight and has a good grip, so it does not put too much pressure on your hands while cleaning. You can also use it to clean home theater speakers, which may catch dust over time. You can see how much dust falls off while using it. This brush can also be used to clean carpets, sofas and mattresses. It easily and quickly removes hair strands, dust and food residues. It is a very helpful and versatile cleaning tool. After using it, just wash it with normal water to clean it. Next up is this slim crevice cleaning brush, which is a very handy tool for cleaning gaps and corners. Often dirt accumulates in the gaps around sinks and on outer edges, making it difficult to clean with a normal sponge. This flat, slim tool effortlessly cleans these gaps. Under the wash basin, grime often collects due to water and dust accumulation, which is hard to reach and clean. This tool easily reaches into these narrow spaces and cleans them effectively. Cleaning dusty corner of window railing track is often difficult, but with the help of this tool, they can be cleaned easily without much effort. WD-40 is a versatile cleaner and lubricant that quickly resolves small cleaning issues around your home. If you have children, you might often find crayons and pencil marks on your walls and furniture. These can be easily cleaned with WD-40. Just spray it on and wipe off with the cloth. For stubborn stains like paint marks on walls, spray WD-40, let it sit for a while and then gently scrub with a scrub pad. You will see the stains come off easily. Some products have stickers that are difficult to remove. Spray WD-40 on these stickers and leave it for 5 minutes. They will come off easily. WD-40 is also very helpful for lubricating tools like pliers and scissors at home. Sometimes tools get jammed due to rust, making them difficult to use. Just spray a little WD-40 on them and they will return to normal functionality, working smoothly again. Doors often develop squeaking sounds which can be quite irritating. To fix this, spray a little WD-40 on the door hinges and the squeaking sound will stop completely. Vinegar is a very good multi-purpose and affordable natural cleaner that I use often for cleaning. I use food-grade synthetic vinegar which is very easily available in the market. By mixing equal parts water and vinegar with 2 tablespoons of dish liquid, you can make a very good DIY kitchen cleaner and degreaser. This is great for daily cleaning of cooktops and chimneys. It easily removes stubborn oily stains and grease. Greasy burners can be easily deep cleaned by soaking them in a solution of vinegar and hot water for some time. This helps to loosen and remove the grease effectively. You can use the same cleaner to clean bathrooms and remove stubborn soap scums from glass partitions. It also helps removing hard water stains stuck on taps. Often mineral deposits accumulate in the base of kitchen kettles. Boiling a little vinegar and water in the kettle removes these deposits effortlessly. With its help, you can also clean microwave and air fryer easily. Next, we have the lint roller, which is actually used to remove lint from clothes. But it is also a very useful and helpful cleaning tool. Dust often accumulates on lampshades, which is not easily visible. With the lint roller's help, dust on lampshades can be easily cleaned off. Just roll the roller up and down or sideways and it will pick up all the stuck dust. Cleaning lampshades with jute fabric can be a bit challenging and regular cleaning cloths don't clean them well. But the lint roller effortlessly removes stuck dust from them. Now let's talk about the foldable tub, for which I often receive many queries. This tub folds flat for easy storage, taking up very little space. It is very helpful if you need to soak delicate or white clothes for a while before washing. Whether it is daily small cleanings or deep cleaning during festivals, it proves useful everywhere. It fits easily inside the sink, making cleaning very convenient. The best part is that after use, it can be stored easily in minimal space. For daily cleaning routines, a spray bottle is an essential tool. Since I use DIY cleaners, I often need spray bottles to store various cleaning solutions. I have tried many spray bottles, and so far these spray bottles from IKEA are my favorite. I rely on these bottles to store all my DIY cleaning solutions. Their design, size and spraying nozzle are absolutely perfect. The ergonomic design ensures that there is no pressure on my hands while spraying. Whether I'm dusting around the house, cleaning appliances or spraying water on plants, these bottles are my go-to choice. If you are looking for a good spray bottle, I highly recommend this one from IKEA. Lastly, an important and must-have cleaning tool is a stick vacuum cleaner. Cordless stick vacuum cleaners are better and more versatile. I have two vacuum cleaners. One is the Dyson V11, which I purchased during COVID, and the other is the Agaro Imperial cordless vacuum cleaner. Both are powerful vacuum cleaners and work very well. They can operate continuously for 40 to 60 minutes after a single charge. Whether it is daily cleaning, deep cleaning, carpet cleaning or just dusting curtains, this vacuum cleaner effortlessly handles everything. It is great for cleaning edges of sofas, cleaning dirt jammed in drawers and more. These vacuum cleaners come with many attachments for easy cleaning and can be used both as stick vacuum and handheld. They can be so helpful on the day when you need multiple rounds of cleaning, or say on the day when home helps have scheduled or unscheduled offs. Nowadays, there are many good brands of powerful cordless vacuum cleaners available in the market that you can choose according to your budget. I have provided the links to the best cordless vacuum cleaner in the description box. You can check them out there. I have also included links to the remaining products in the description box below. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed it, please like and share. Subscribe to Simplify Your Space for more such videos. We'll see you all next week. Till then, happy cleaning from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.